जेनेटिक और इम्यूनोलॉजिकल फैक्टर्स हैं कि ये भी ससेप्टिबिलिटी ऑफ वुमेन कैन बी चेंज अलाउड टू हर टू डेवलप एंडोमेट्रियोसिस. देयर अपीयर्स टू बी एन इंक्रीज इंसिडेंस in first degree relatives of patients with disorder and racial differences with increased incidence among oriental women and a low prevalence in women of Afro-Caribbean origin. Vascular lymphatic स्टेप की थ्योरी भी कहती है कि ये एम्बोलाइजेशन की वजह से ऐसा होता है. द क्लासिकल क्लिनिकल फीचर्स आर सीवियर साइक्लिकल नॉन कोलिकी pelvic pain restricted to around the time of menstruation, sometimes stated with heavy menstrual loss. Symptoms may begin a few days before menses start until the end of menses. However, women often also complain of chronic non-cyclical pelvic pain and severe fatigue. It is well recognized that there is a lack of correlation between the extent of the disease and the intensity of the symptoms. Pelvic pain presenting with colicky pain throughout the menstrual cycle may be associated with irritable bowel syndromes. Despite pain with intercourse, deep dyspareunia or an defecation are key indicators of the presence of endometriosis deep within the pouch of Douglas. Painful defecation को dyschezia बोलते हैं. Endometriosis in distant sites can cause local symptoms, for example, cyclical epistaxis with nasal passage deposit and cyclical rectal bleeding with bowel deposits. The accuracy of clinical examination and diagnosis of endometriosis is limited, and so the condition should be suspected even if the vaginal examination is normal. Positive examination finding indicative endometriosis include thickening or nodularity of the uterosacral ligament, tenderness in the pouch of Douglas, and adnexal marks or a fixed retroverted uterus. However, pelvic tenderness alone is non-specific, and differential diagnosis for restricted mobility of the uterus include chronic PID and uterine ovarian cervical malignancy. These conditions or other suggestive features are usually present and imagining would rule out features of malignancy. ये हैं कि फीमोल लोटरी ट्रैक्ट में अगर है तो ये प्रेजेंट हो, जेनेटो यूनिट में है तो ये प्रेजेंट होगा, सर्जिकल स्कार की जगह तो ये, लंग्स में अगर हो गए तो ये, और यूनिटेक्ट में हो गए तो ये सब आपको याद करने हैं बेटा. Transvaginal can detect endometriosis involving the ovarian endometriomas or choclocyst, but it is used in diagnosis small lesions is limited, although findings such as ovaries fixed together or to the back of the uterus, kissing ovaries जिसको बोलते हैं, add strength to diagnosis. In a woman with symptoms and signs of rectal endometriosis, transvaginal may help for identifying rectal disease, although again a negative scan does not exclude the disease. MRI can detect lesions more than 5 mm in size, particularly in deep tissues, for example, the rectovaginal septum. This can allow careful pre-surgical planning in difficult cases. Laparoscopy. Although laparoscopy remains the traditional method for diagnosis, it is based on the accuracy of the visual diagnosis of endometriosis lesions, which is dependent on the experience of the surgeon. The endometriotic lesion can be red, puckered, black, matchstick or appear white and fibrous. तो ये इनकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर है लेप्रोस्कोपी के लिए.